Hello, YouTube. This is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your commercial vehicle capital of the Midwest, for sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today, we're looking at one of my favorite trucks, affectionately called the Beast. It's a 2019 ISUZU NRR. This ISUZU has a 5.2-liter turbo diesel with 105,000 miles. The NRR has a whopping 19.5 GVW, gives you plenty of payload, but still way under the CDL threshold. Back here in the business section, we have an 18-foot spacious aluminum cargo box equipped with the side access door, aluminum loading ramp, and a tow package. Keep in mind, if you need extras such as E-Track and LED lighting, we can do that. Need other equipment such as a flatbed or a fold-down landscape ramp? Just give us a call. Looking for financing? We can do it. Want an extended 3-year warranty? No problem. Don't forget, Truck-n-Trailer is your #1 source for commercial box trucks and cargo vans, from 26-foot all the way down to little 10-footers. If you have any questions, give us a call here at 405-912-5800 or visit our website and view our extensive inventory at Truck-n-Trailer.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.